जाली 1 वर्स जाल्ले तसोच आमी हिंगा व्हिडिओ घातलो की हे ऑब्जेक्शन आसा आनी आमी हायकोर्टान घातलेले मयूर शेटगांवकरान की जे ऑब्जेक्शन आहा म्हणून सर्टिफिकेट ते सर्टिफिकेट ते मूर्ख मनीस मरे ताका फुडें सरूंक आमी गांव वाचयला हो गांव कोणें वाचयला देवान वाचयला आनी तुमकां म्हाका एक सांगा हे फाटल्यान
The sand dunes, according to the CRZ regulations, cannot be cut, cannot be altered, cannot be dressed, cannot be damaged. These are regulations that are there. So what is being done is absolutely in defiance of the law. They are claiming they have got permission from some authorities. We have asked for information under RTI. But having gone through the regulations, it is very clear that they have hidden. These regulations have been obtained fraudulently by concealing the fact that it is a turtle nesting area. Endangered marine turtle olive ridley nesting area. In fact, Goa and Morjim is known as a flagship location for this flagship species. Goa is emblematic for olive ridley marine turtle conservation. In fact, it is one of the few places in the world where turtle conservation takes place. So therefore, this destructive attitude of the government needs to be stopped. Parking lots, why have it on the beach in the turtle nesting area? In the turtle hatching area, parking lots can be put anywhere. Toilets can be put anywhere. Toilets can be put out of the CRZ, out of the 500 meters of the CRZ. Land could be acquired. Why spoil the beach irrevocably? What about our future generations? What about the loss of habitat? What about the complete destruction of biodiversity? There is a biological signature that is apparent here, the vegetation. This vegetation grows only in this sand dune area because of the salinity, because of the air. This full thing is a turtle nesting area, sand dune area. In fact, Goa government has awarded a PhD to a researcher, Kasturi Desai, has obtained a PhD from Goa University, which is referred to all over for the sand dunes that are there. The biodiversity plan of Goa has these sand dunes and has preservation of this area as a definite and a required necessity. So this destructive attitude of the government must stop. This is not done for the sake of the locals. It is done obliquely for other interests who want to build a road through the sand dune area. People who have acquired land, private interest, through the sand dune, they want to build a road. So this is in the garb of parking lot. They are using the parking lot and the tourism to shoot from their shoulders. This must stop.
CRZ भितर आज एक सामान्य नागरिकाक आपलो दुरीग रिपेर करूंक मेळना, घर वाडयतलो एक रूम काडटलो जाल्यार करूंक मेळना. सर्वसामान्य गरीब लोक जो आपलो एक बारीकसो धंदो करूंक सोदता तांकां करपाक मेळना. आणि अशा परिस्थितीत सरकार येदे व्हडले डिस्ट्रक्शन कशें करता? माझ्या माहिती प्रमाणे 2000 स्क्वेअर मीटर जमनी भितर हे बांदकाम येवपाचें आसा खंय. तातूंत पार्किंग येतले आणि बाकीचे कितें कितें सोयी आसतल्यो खंय. आज हांव प्रश्न विचारूंक सोदता, येद्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात पार्किंग हांगा सगळ्या बरें जाता. इतली जागा स्पेस जागा आसा ह्या बिचाचेर, इतली वर्सांच लोक पार्किंग हांगा भायर करता. आज अचानक मोठे पार्किंग कॉन्क्रीटचे करपाची किती गरज पडली? आणि भर बिचाचेर तुम्ही करपाक आमचो विरोध ना. विरोध इतल्या खातीर आसा की हो सुंदर निसर्गान दिलेलो बीच तुम्ही डिस्ट्रॉय करनाका. तुम्ही जाय जाल्यार खंय तरी फाटी एक अर्ध किलोमीटर 1 किलोमीटर पयस पार्किंग करा. तुम्ही जाय तशे टॉयलेट बाथरूम सगळे करा. आता टॉयलेट बाथरूमान त्याची हे खंय वतली, तिची जिरवण खंय वतली? समुद्रान न्ही, ती खंय तरी समुद्रात दर्याक वचून मेळटली. दर्या आमचे पिड्यार जातले. सो मागता हाचे कडेन की सरकाराक अजून बुद्धी दिवची आणि सरकारान हे डिस्ट्रक्शन बंद करचे. ही आमची सगळी मोर्चेचे आणि स्थानिक मोर्चेकार त्याच बरोबर मांद्रे मतदारसंघातले सगळे जमिल्ले लोक आम्ही ह्या विषयाचेर जागृतकाय करतात आणि हो विषय तडीक लावपाचो आमचो निश्चय आसा. आज थोड्याशा प्रमाणात भर पावसान लोक जमिल्ले आसात. हेका ठाम आमचो विरोध आसा आणि हे बंद ना जाल्यार मागीर सगळो गांव एकठांय करपाची आमची कॅपॅसिटी आहा. मागता सरकारान त्वरित पावलां उचलची.